Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the world of indoor lighting, the Cync GE Smart Color Changing LED Strip Lights. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product actually is. The Cync GE Smart LED Strip Lights are a 16-foot long strip of LED lights that can change colors and bring a whole new atmosphere to your space. Designed for easy installation, these lights can transform any indoor setting, whether it's your bedroom, gaming area, or even a dorm room, into a vibrant and customized environment. One of the standout features of these LED strip lights is their ability to produce millions of colors. Thanks to the Cync app powered by Savant, you can utilize a color wheel and true image technology to elevate your home decor. This means you can easily select your favorite colors, change lighting modes, adjust brightness, and even set daily schedules. The smart timing feature is particularly handy, allowing you to automate your lighting based on your lifestyle. Moreover, these lights are not just about aesthetics, they're also designed to sync with your daily life. You can adjust the white light to a range of tones, from warm amber at 2000K to cool bluish at 7000K. This is especially useful for optimizing your sleep and wake cycles, helping to create a relaxing environment at night and energizing light during the day. Now, let's talk about the setup. One of the most appealing aspects of the Cync LED strip lights is their simple installation process. You can cut the strip to your desired size and link them together as needed. The app allows you to control the lights from anywhere in your home with no hub or bridge required, as long as you have a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. This makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for those who might not be tech-savvy. Another significant advantage is the voice control feature. If you have a smart home setup, you can easily integrate these lights with Amazon Alexa or Google Home for hands-free operation. This means you can adjust your lighting without lifting a finger, perfect for when you're settling in for a movie or hosting friends. So, who are these LED strip lights suitable for? Honestly, they appeal to a wide range of users. If you're a college student looking to spruce up your dorm room, these lights can add a personal touch to your space. Gamers can benefit from the immersive lighting effects that enhance their gaming experience. Additionally, anyone looking to create a cozy atmosphere for relaxation or social gatherings will find these lights to be a valuable addition to their decor. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a dinner party. You can set the mood with soft, warm lighting that complements your table setting. Or, if you're winding down after a long day, you can opt for cooler tones that are more conducive to relaxation. For those who enjoy themed events, you can easily switch the colors to match any holiday or celebration, making it a versatile choice for year-round use. In summary, the Cync GE Smart Color Changing LED Strip Lights are a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their indoor lighting experience. With their impressive range of colors, easy app control, and seamless integration into smart home systems, they're sure to impress. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.